بأنه بيته تعرض لسرقة، أو على الأقل هو هيك اعتقد، بس في الواقع اللي حصل في البيت أخطر من هيك بكتير.
Okay, folks, hi, today is the morning of the 18th of June 2017. Someone broke in to the house and just started showing things. Now, they evidently slept on the couch, got the Kool-Aid out of the refrigerator. I'm not touching anything until the police get here. If I don't know if they're going to do any fingerprints or anything. I'm trying to figure out. They just started throwing things and breaking them. It doesn't look like they were stealing a lot of things. Here's firewood that they used. I mean, there are so many things here they could have stolen. And all they did was break stuff.
لاحظ الرجل إنه البيت في